guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a little bit of a decorate with me. I'm going to be showing you me decorating my bedroom tree, and I've got some like little Christmas tree festive bakes that I'm going to do, and then tomorrow I'm going to be showing you me decorating my main tree. So it's been a very busy because it's Lucas's birthday this month, and so yeah, it's been very busy here, but I'm trying to keep up with you guys and share some amazing things with you for Vlogmas. Today's video is kindly sponsored by HelloFresh, which I'm really grateful for. If you haven't heard of HelloFresh before, they are a delivery service that delivers ingredients directly to your door for you to cook from fresh. And I've worked with them a few times, and I'm so excited to be working with them over the festive period, because it actually dawned on me that it's actually a really good gift as well. If you know somebody who has like recently had a baby, or you are wondering what to get somebody, like the current climate at the moment, like with everybody trying to really save money and things and wanting to give gifts that are helpful, and if you could give me some gas and electric, that would be great. But also food, what a great gift to send somebody. I'm gonna leave the little QR code here, and I think my code is Dudley 6025, so I will leave it here, and I will leave it in the description box below. But with that code you will get 60% off your first box, and then 25% off your next 8 boxes. So it's a really cracking discount, and I just thought it was great to work with HelloFresh this month, because I just feel like it would be really good over the festive period as well. So what I've actually done is this time I've ordered some really nice meals that I thought would be beautiful for having guests over. So normally when we go with HelloFresh, we order it for 4, but the kids don't always eat everything. So what I thought is we could invite some of our friends that we normally have around, like around the Christmas time, and I could cook, but I could cook the HelloFresh meals. So I've ordered a roast, which is rosemary roast beef and red wine jus, and then I also ordered one of the premium meals to try, and it's roasted confit duck leg and red wine jus. Now, I'm not a massive duck eater, but the people that would be coming for dinner would absolutely love this. And I love this idea because I could always just do myself like a chicken breast or something on the side, and then everyone else can have something really premium. So I'm really excited to try these meals. And yeah, I just thought, oh my gosh, how good would it work around the festive season? And lovely for like some cozy evenings in with friends and family, cooking some beautiful cozy meals. Like, I love that about Christmas, just really beautiful home cooked meals, and HelloFresh is an amazing way of doing that. Okay, so I'm going to get these unboxed. I'm probably going to cook one tonight. I have also got this one, which I'm really excited to try, which is the creamy, I'm going to murder this word now, gochujang spinach and ricotta ravioli, and this is part of the winter warmers range, and because they do like different ranges, they have fresh ideas and recipes every week. And this one I think I'm going to do tonight, because it's a very busy night tonight. Lucas is going to gymnastics, the dog is at the groomers, and I also want to get all like some bits done for Christmas. So I'm going to unbox all of this, put it away, and then go on with my day. I'm going to show you me doing my bedroom tree, because I'm so excited to share that, and then I'll show you those little Christmas tree bakes that I make, because I'm going to make them for when the boys get back from gymnastics tonight. So yeah, let me crack on with it. Okay, so I am on Operation Christmas Tree in the bedroom. I've just moved my chair from the corner to that corner, but I will probably put that either in the loft or in my makeup room, because this is where I'm going to put my tree. I just thought, I've just set up to film, but I thought in that corner it would look beautiful. Probably going to have to take that plant down, but that's about it. So I'll just take that down now, probably. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long.
Hi guys, so today I'm making some of these. I'll put a little picture in. They are puff pastry Christmas trees, and I made them for the first time last week and the boys absolutely loved them. They're like very festive, they're cinnamony, they're really, really beautiful, but you can also make them with like Nutella or jam or whatever you want. But they're just really, really easy, really but really effective. So I'm just gonna make sure I've got my skewers in here. Where did I put my skewers? This one. Yeah, so all you really need for this is you need some puff pastry. I just picked up pre-made one. This was from Asda, but I normally get it from Aldi because it's a bit cheaper. And then if you're doing the cinnamon one, you need 50 grams of melted butter. So I've just melted this in the microwave. You are going to need some light brown sugar. Now it does say, I think it says on the recipe that I have 4 tablespoons, but I'm going to put a little bit more in. So I'll put 5 tablespoons in. And then you also need some cinnamon. Again, it says 2 teaspoons. I'm going to put in 4 because when I made them last time, the only feedback wasn't sweet. Could do with a little bit more sugar and a little bit more cinnamon. So I might not put too much more sugar in. I think I'm going to put more cinnamon in. And then what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to put icing sugar on the top because I didn't last time. I was going to make some like glaze icing and like pipe it over the top, but I just feel like that just adds something extra in. So I'm just going to get some icing sugar and like sprinkle it over like snow. I think that'll look nice. So the idea is to make them look like Christmas trees, as you saw in the picture. So you also need some bamboo skewers if you want to do that. But I'm just going to lower you down now to show you exactly what I'm doing. So I've got my puff pastry sheet. I've got my 50. Move this out of the way so you can see. I've got 50 grams of melted butter. I'm just going to add in, I've got my tablespoon measure here, so I'm just going to pop in 1, tiny bit more for good luck. And then you need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. But like I say, I might just add an extra one of cinnamon maybe. Although you could dust it with cinnamon on the top as well. Like maybe that might be a good idea. Just so I'll put a little bit extra in, and then I think I might do that. I might make some like, you know, like the cinnamon sugar for the top. I might just do that after. A little bit extra in though, why not? And then all you do is give this a mix up. This is so easy, and when I made it the first time, I made it with Lucas and he absolutely loved making this with me. Now the next thing you could probably do with, which I need to get a new one of because when I used it last time all my bristles started coming out, and that is a little pastry brush. Now I do have a silicone one somewhere, but do you think I can find it? Absolutely not. How about that? Found one. Never used this before, but now it's going to come in useful. So you want to just give this a good mix, make sure it's all nice and mixed together. And then what you want to do is you want to get your pastry and you want to cut this. So I'm just going to pizza cutter. You want to basically cut this in half. So just so I know roughly where half is. I'm going to cut this in half, and then all you do is you put your cinnamon mixture on half of it. Now it probably will leak a little bit, mine did, so it's not unusual. And I went all the way to the end. I mean, I don't even know if I'm doing it right, to be honest, but I wanted to try and get as much in there as possible. I've got a bit extra, so I might just go over the other side. I don't think it really matters, to be honest. Might be a better way of it not leaking, actually. Okay, and once that's pasted all over, all you want to do is you want to get your 2 halves and fold them over. Stitch them down. And then you cut your ribbons. So I'm saying about maybe like an inch wide, maybe. And then cut your ribbons. This is where the magic happens. So you get your skewer. Now I've been managing to put 2 on one skewer because these are quite long. If you want to do them as like hors d'oeuvres kind of thing, you might just want to do 1 tree per skewer, but I only put them on the skewer to bake. So you get your ribbon, and then all you do is you concertina it up, so, big at the bottom, and then gets a little smaller, and then you push your skewer through the middle, and it kind of looks something like that. And then, like I say, I'll probably put 2 on this skewer in the oven for 15 minutes, and that is it. So I'm going to do all these, pop them in the oven, and then I'll show you what they look like. There they are, ready to go in the oven. So just going to pop them in now on 200 degrees for 15 minutes. This is them fresh out the oven. So I'm just going to take them off the bamboo sticks now and give them a light dusting of icing sugar. So just some feedback on tonight's meal. It was incredible. It was the spinach and ricotta ravioli in like some kind of creamy mushroom sauce. It was so beautiful. And also I cooked an extra chicken breast to slice and put on top, just some extra protein. And yeah, I can guarantee that this meal was beautiful. Hi guys, so it's actually the next day now, but I just thought we'd quickly pop on to finish the vlog off. Like I say, I'm trying to keep them short and sweet so that you've got time to watch them. I'm going to try and do them every single day. But I thought I've just had some Amazon parcels arrive. Are we not all Amazon addicts here? But I've had a couple arrive, so I thought I'd open them on camera, do a little bit of an unboxing. I've got so much content actually to bring you. I've got probably an unboxing in every single video. I've got some, I think I've ordered 3 I've got 3 Temu orders to come. I've ordered some bits off Amazon. I've got a really exciting parcel coming that I've ordered in Black Friday. That is the gift from my mum and dad for Christmas. That's coming soon. I'm having that early, so I'll be able to open that and set that up on camera. I've got a Primark haul. I did a Primark haul the other day. Got some really nice party outfits, one which you need in your life. So I'm going to show that. But yeah, I just thought I'd do this unboxing. First of all, I bought some slow cooker things, but these are the wrong ones. So that's a good start. They are really small, so they're going to have to go back. So I had some silicone air fryer liners for my air fryer. They look smaller than the ones that I've had. I'm not going to even open them. I think I'm just going to return them.
and probably repurchase the ones that I had before because they seem tiny. They're not like the one I ordered. But these, by the way, are really, really good. And I had a look on like Temu and other places that were cheaper places, and they weren't much cheaper than Amazon, so I stuck with Amazon. But those are the wrong ones, which is really annoying. They're gonna have to go back. I even checked the measurements on those. I'm praying that they're still on offer for Black Friday. So I'm gonna have to just order the ones that I got before. It's annoying, but yeah, that I can't recommend those silicone liners enough. They keep your air fryer so clean. I only have to clean my air fryer like every week or so, like every couple of weeks normally, because the actual air fryer themselves don't get dirty. Right, this next one was a Black Friday bargain, and it's for anyone who, you know, who's got a Nintendo Switch. It's called Colours Live, and basically what it is it's a pen or a pencil that clips into your Nintendo Switch, and you can like colour in with it. So there's brushes, eyedropper. Like Lucas loves colouring in, so I thought that would be really good. I think that was down to $34.99 from $54.99. So yeah, that was another little Amazon purchase. But I'm just gonna have to return the liners. How annoying. But yeah, that is everything. I did order some bits in the Black Friday sale. I bought some more foundation from Be Perfect Cosmetics. They've got a sale on there. Where else did I get some stuff from? What else did I order? I ordered some bits from Swan. So I've got a new slow cooker come in, which I'm really excited about because I've been waiting for the Nordic slow cooker to come into stock for so long, and I've ordered that. So I'm really excited for that to come. I will share that with you. But yeah, just trying to, I've got loads come in. I'm going to share with you like Christmas gifts and just a little bit of all my day and what I'm doing. Not that I'm doing a lot, but it's just nice to catch up with you guys, isn't it? So I really hope you enjoyed today's video anyway. And if you do use HelloFresh, please don't forget to use my code. Like I say, I will leave it here, and I will leave it here. And thank you so much for joining me with Vlogmas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there in red and turn on the bell to get notifications so you know when I'm uploading throughout December, because it's going to be hopefully every day, but it might be a bit sporadic. So make sure you've got that little bell turned on to let you know when I upload. So yeah, until next time guys, take care. Bye.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend